UFO sightings are nothing new and have been reported as early as the 1930s, but some newer sightings have been proved to be more disturbing due to technology being better and having more information on them. Recent sightings, however, have taken the internet by storm and had experts weighing in on what they think the sightings were or what they could mean. In today's video, we'll be talking about experts' opinions on recent UFO sightings and details. If you're interested in UFO sightings and what people think of them, keep watching. Before we begin this video, if you enjoy content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on post notifications so you can be the first to hear about my next video. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. California sighting. One particularly interesting sighting happened on May 8, 2021 in California and has had many people talking about it. A witness described his sighting, saying he attended a concert in San Diego around 3 a.m. starting to head home. He saw a light shine approximately 2 miles away from him, and then disappear. He thought it was a deer and didn't think much of it, but suddenly saw a beam of light shine towards the ground from something approximately 100 feet from the ground. Suddenly it went out, and he could see the marker lights coming towards them, realizing it was what appeared to be a giant aircraft. He could see the light shining from the passenger side, almost as if it was about to slam into him. The aircraft then came to a complete stop and rotated, and then slid to the top of his tractor, almost about to hit it. He then saw the lights in a triangle shape hovering above the tractor, and then over to the front of the windshield before going away. He had cameras on his hood, and checked the next morning, and checked the cameras to estimate that the mysterious aircraft was about 14 feet at its widest point, and definitely wasn't a plane. And it also had no fan propellers, so it was mysterious how the aircraft even moved at all. Many experts have weighed in on this, saying there's a possibility it could have been a military-style drone, but with no propellers, there's no explanation to how the aircraft was flying or why it would have been in that area at that specific time. The aircraft also looked quite flat, but wide, and wasn't the shape of a normal plane or any other well-known flying object. There was really no explanation for this event, but the witness said that for him, this is the third time some sort of phenomenon has happened in an area near him and is still unexplained. What's certain about this is that it was not a normal plane, and that clearly the San Diego area has some sort of UFO activity around it, especially with the man's description of the aircraft being oddly flat and having 3 lights in a triangular shape. There's no resemblance to any other commercial aircraft to match this description. It also appeared to be flying too low, so this leaves many unanswered questions. What do you think? Is it a UFO? And why was it in that area? Number 2. US Navy video. This video was leaked and originally was filmed by the US Navy and shows a UFO hovering over the ocean and seemingly disappearing into the ocean. The US Navy has also confirmed that this was recorded by them. The video was filmed off the coast in California and shows an unidentified flying object fly over water and then suddenly disappear into it. This video was apparently filmed in July 2019 but has only been just revealed to the public. Documentary filmmaker and UFO enthusiast Jeremy Corbell was the one who leaked the video, and he has said that he believes this to be an official UFO sighting, but cannot explain what it was or how it got into the water. Did it have features that made it able to fly but also work underwater, almost like a submarine? He said it looked like a transmedium and could work on both land and water, meaning that some very advanced technology was being used. In this video, the UFO looks a little different to the first one and resembles a black sphere, which could point to the fact that it's also able to work in water. However, because no other sightings have been made, there has been little chance for more investigations to take place. This sighting is definitely not a hoax. We know this because Pentagon spokesperson Susan Gaw has confirmed that Navy personnel recorded the video, and it has been included in ongoing examinations about UFOs and extraterrestrial life. Since this video, the Pentagon has officially released 3 UFO clips recorded by pilots between 2004 and 2005, which proves that they're doing research into UFOs and have gathered a lot of information. However, this leads us to a lot of other questions. What videos do they have with even more evidence of other life forms that they're hiding, and why are they hiding it from us? Number 3. Massachusetts sighting. This is another particularly strange UFO sighting from East Sandwich, Massachusetts. The sighting was made on June 13, 2021 in the daytime. The reason this is different is because this ring-shaped UFO was spotted in the daytime, whereas most sightings tend to take place at night. The sighting was made by a man and his wife in Massachusetts sitting on their porch. He said that they suddenly saw a flying object that didn't look like a plane, and he got his camera out just in time to film it. The filming shows a donut-shaped object that seems to be hollow in the middle, flying and reflecting against the light. 3 videos were uploaded to YouTube, one that is unedited to include the entire clip, and the other 2 being edited, showing only the times where the object was caught on camera. The object object appeared to have a bright glint of light on top, which could either be something reflective or a window. Many experts have chimed in on this video saying that it looks plausible and that this could indeed be a UFO, as there are no other aircrafts that look like this. Some other sightings have also taken place in Massachusetts, so like California, this could be another popular place for UFO sightings. But we still don't know why certain areas have more activity than others. The donut shape of the UFO is also a strange one, but once again demonstrates some sort of super advanced technology and definitely could be linked with other life forms. In fact, this is not the first time a donut-shaped object has been seen. On May 17, 2021, several people witnessed two strange donut-shaped objects flying over Wellington, South London. Many people witnessed it flying and even flipping over, leaving many confused. Could the Massachusetts sighting be the same UFO in London? Number 4. Delaware sighting. This sighting in Delaware from March 4, 2021 is a controversial one because many people have many different opinions on what it could be and whether it was really a UFO sighting or not. A woman was driving on the highway when she saw a strange red object in the sky, and she quickly took pictures of it on her phone. The object looks like a large red ring on the horizon and definitely doesn't look like a plane or anything else we would normally see in the sky. However, many people have their own opinions on the sighting, and most experts have weighed in saying that it can't even be considered because the photos aren't the best quality and there are too many doubts. Many have said that it would be a reflection from the light of the dashboard or that it may have been a light from a sign far away. Either way, there's no evidence suggesting that it could have been a UFO, but the picture definitely looks a little bit creepy. Looking at the pictures, what do you think? Could this be a UFO or is it just a trick of the eyes? And finally, number 5, New Mexico sighting. This is another sighting that went viral on April 3rd, 2021 in New Mexico. This sighting happened close to Roswell in Deming, New Mexico, and according to the report, a truck driver was driving and noticed an object hovering over the mountains. He stopped to examine the object more closely before driving again for 10 more minutes and then noticed that other people had stopped too after noticing the hovering object. The truck driver said that when he first noticed the object, it appeared to be darker in color, but after driving, he noticed that it appeared more white in color, possibly because of the sun's reflection. Due to its height, it couldn't have been a helicopter, as experts have concluded that it was too high up in the sky to be one. It also didn't appear to look like an airplane or a blimp, so that was quickly dismissed as well. A video was posted to YouTube and many people made their judgments about it, but the video quality wasn't too great and nobody could really make out what it was. However, several UFO sightings have been reported from New Mexico, so it wouldn't be a surprise for another one to be reported. Did you see the video? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And that concludes today's video of experts' opinions on recent UFO sightings and details. What do you think of the recent UFO sightings, and were there any that stuck out for you? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on post notifications so you can be the first to hear about my next video. Thanks for watching.